back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be unboxing this new gel blaster. Get right into, oh yeah, Glock 18 gel blaster, so yeah. Okay. Take this off. Let's see. Very, okay. Ooh. It's actually a pretty cool gun, guys. Upside down. Oh, wow. Just, let me put that over. Ooh. By the way, guys, it's storming outside, if y'all hear that. But, we got the battery. Here's the battery. And then we got, oh wait, I think this is bigger than my other one. Actually, yeah, it's bigger. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I expect this one. Oh, this comes off. What the gun looks like. We're gonna do a thumbnail, but I want to do it when it's like fully, like has everything on it. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got the what's this called? The charger. Wait, did it give me the Orbeez? I was gonna say. Oh, and this is the, what is this called? Where's the box? This is called a muffler. It's a muffler. So, wait, is it on? So we gotta put it in like this. There we go. Got that. What's next? Oh, the battery. Hopefully it's charged, because if it's not charged, then they're Karens. Oh! That scared me. That is so loud. Oh my goodness. Next, we got the Orbeez holder. Yeah, the Orbeez holder. Wait, where's the flashlight? Did I just get scammed? Yeah, there's supposed to be a flashlight. Okay guys, so listen, I brought the gun, right? And instead of gonna come with a flashlight, I can prove it to y'all. I'm gonna put a screenshot up on the screen, but it says it's supposed to be a flashlight, and I literally do not see a flashlight like anywhere. I looked everywhere, so I'm gonna go check outside if they like shipped it like separately. So yeah, I'll catch y'all, I guess, outside, or when I find it, or when I not find it. Come with it all. I looked everywhere in the box and everything, and it's not there. So what I'm going to probably do is either return it or actually contacted the seller. Just gotta wait till he replies. Just gotta wait till that guy replies. So for now, I'm just gonna show y'all what it does, and yeah. After the literally 20th try, I finally got this little bracket on. It said you had to slide it on there where you couldn't. So I had to like force it like on there. Like, it's complicated, but I'm gonna show y'all the rest of what I'm gonna put on there. So we got the whatever this thing is, the suppressor or whatever. I'm gonna put that on. And it's the wrong way again. Okay, got the suppressor. Then we got the Orbeez. So I actually have Orbeez already made. Let me get those real quick. Pretty. This thing is pretty filled to the top, so if I open it, all the Orbeez are gonna come out. So, yeah, so I'm gonna open it outside. And they're eco-friendly. Oh my goodness. They're eco-friendly. So it's fine if they spill. They're just absorbed. Look, guys, they're literally falling out. Like, yeah. We're good though. So, about to put it in the, Orbeez thing, and yeah. Okay, so here's the finished product, except for the flashlight. So I emailed the company and emailed Amazon. I ordered from Amazon, and so I emailed them, and they said that they were gonna contact the seller And if the cell doesn't respond in 5 days, then I'll just return it and get a new one or something like that. But yeah, I want to show y'all the range. And yeah, let me turn it on. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Oh my god, it went all the way to the trampoline. I'm not lying. Oh my. This has a range. Hold on, I gotta compare this to my other gun, guys. Okay guys, so I got my other gun, as y'all can see. So I'm about to show y'all the range on both of them. So yeah. Okay, so we got both of them right here, and I want to show y'all the range. First of all, wait. Okay, so here's the range on the red one. The sun's in the way. Okay. It's hitting the trampoline. Then this one has more power. As you can see, it just has more power. Okay, we're gonna go farther back. About right between these two chairs. Okay. Then we'll do this one between these two chairs. Okay. I think it's about in there. Oh, I need to pour some more orbits in this one. Okay, now we're gonna go farther. I think we're gonna go about right here. Alright. Still hitting the trampoline. Guys, these are some pretty cool guns. I'll put the links in the description and y'all can buy them if y'all want, but they're pretty cool. But I'm gonna see how far this one can go for its range. I'm gonna go like all the way over here. And look how far the trampoline is. No way. It's hitting. Wow. I was not expecting that to hit. Let's try the other one. All right, you ready? It's about, nah, it's not hitting it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe and stay tuned for more vlogs and more videos. And peace.
SBB, SB 3272. That's my pod, let them